Hello, gods and goddesses. Today I am making lemon and herb roasted fish with kale. In the bowl, I am adding olive oil, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, and Old Bay seasoning, and sun-dried tomato paste. I'm going to mix this together to make a paste so that we can rub it all over the fish. So rub this paste all over the fish, inside and out, in every corner, nook and cranny. This is a yellowtail snapper, about 2 pounds. We're going to roast this fish in the oven. I have the oven preheated to 400 degrees. I'm slicing up this lemon because we're going to stuff the fish. So into the fish, I am putting the lemon slices, rosemary, and thyme. Put the fish on the skillet and then put it in the oven for about 30 minutes. I'm roasting mine for 30 minutes for a 2-pound snapper. Here I have about 5 slices of bacon, hickory smoked bacon that I'm dicing up. Y'all, I suggest using kitchen scissors to cut this up. You don't want to cut yourself. So to the bacon, I'm going to add onion and bell peppers, green or red bell peppers, and sun-dried tomatoes with some olive oil. And cook that up until the bacon is cooked thoroughly all the way through. After the bacon is cooked through, we're going to add the kale to the pan and cook the kale for a few seconds until it wilts down. I'm seasoning the kale with onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, chili lime, and Italian seasoning. Let the kale cook down for about 2 minutes on medium heat and it should be done. So while that cooks down, we grab our fish out of the oven and this is what it's looking like. You all, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Here is our finished meal. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.